This week on the pound yen, we'll look at the monthly time frame. From the monthly time frame, we would like to have a sense of direction of where the market is going to, and from the monthly time frame, whichever way you try to draw your trend line, you would see that we are in a bullish trend. If you try to draw it this way, you'd see we are bullish. If you try to draw it the counter trend way from here, you would see we are bullish. And even if you decide to draw it, sorry about that, even if you decide to draw it from here, right, this space, you would also see we are tending to the upside. So everything here is giving me a bullish signal. So if you go to the weekly time frame, from the weekly time frame, we can easily draw our key levels. So I'll be drawing my key levels from here on the weekly, here as well. I would also draw here because this is a weekly as well. This is also a weekly as well. And let me see, the next weekly zone should most likely be here. This is the next weekly zone. Now if we go down to the daily time frame, according to the way I like to trade the markets, we can see that price has created a new valid daily low around here. Or if we, yes, this is where I would like to put my valid daily low, around here. And then if we also look at the chart if we look at the chart this way, we can see we are also in some form of channel, right? We are in the channel which is about to be broken. So if you had gotten yourself involved from here, right, you would basically be cashing out somewhere around here. So looking at the chart now, next week I expect to see if you go down to the 4-hour, I expect to see sellers actually push price because we are already in this zone. So I expect to see more. I expect to see a retracement to the downside. To be honest, I would prefer like a pullback to this level. So if this level holds, we should see price actually retrace to the downside. And if you're a seller, you know how to take advantage of the opportunity, where your target is and all of that. But as for me personally, I will be waiting for a buying opportunity. So for my buying opportunities, there are two ways that I would like to take advantage of the buys. I would be waiting for a pullback, right, to happen, and then if a higher low, like a higher support get created, right, then a retest of that, and I would be looking to take a continuation to the highs, because I believe we are still coming back to these highs, right? If that happens, or we violate these highs, have a retest, and then we get here. So those are like the several scenarios that could happen, but I expect to see price react to this level. I mean, we're already reacting to it. We have this strong bullish move to the upside, this bearish candlestick pattern, sort of like an indecision, then this. So I expect to see, like, you know, this level is holding, and I expect to see more downside, at least back to this level, right, conservatively and aggressively to this lows to continue the buy trend. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY next week.